You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Remove the red plastic cover. To remove the cover of the upper battery tray, pull upwards to unclip it, then towards you to take it off. To remove the bottom cover, lift the locking tabs, then pull towards you to take it off. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, remove the plastic rivet holding the ECU's air cooling duct. Remove the air intake duct by simply pulling it out. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, a long extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, with all the car still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the negative terminal and remove it. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Then repeat the operation on the positive terminal. Remove the battery. You can now remove the fastening plate.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take this opportunity to clean the battery tray. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You will find the bolt parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery and remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Putting the battery in place can be a little tricky, so you need to stay focused. Rest assured, we have just the tip to make it that little bit easier. Take a piece of paper towel, lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. Magic! It holds all by itself. Then screw the bolt back in. Then put the positive terminal back on to start with, tightening the screws with a 10mm socket. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully, before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Return the air duct to its place. Put the rivet back in place. Put the battery tray covers back in place. Put the plastic cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.